Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to my Farm Live vlog. And what we'll do over the next few days, and we'll be covering this in the vlog, is building a retaining wall. Now I've built a few of these and hopefully I won't have to build any more. Let's see why we need this retaining wall. Okay, this is at the back of my shed near the water tank. Okay, that's where the water pump is supposed to be going. Where that upside down bucket is power. So power's already run and there's a water pipe there that's already run. We're running water from this water tank down to the horse paddock, so we'll be putting a tap over there on the other side of the fence where the horse lives. We've already got one in that half of the paddock down there, but we still need another one over here. It just makes it a lot easier to wash the horse, fill his water trough up and all that sort of stuff. So this water tank here, which is at the back of my home gym, will be entirely used just for the veggie garden and for the horse paddock. And there's 22,500 litres or 5,000 gallons of water in this tank, and it's currently full to the top. There's our timber that we'll be using for part of our retaining wall, and there's our veggie garden. Here's another angle of where the retaining wall's going. This will be one retaining wall where the water pump's going. This is where the other one's going, where the septic system is, and also at the back of my gym and next to the water tank. It'll just tidy all this area up a bit. This is all treated pine and it's designed to be in the ground. I also like to treat it myself just so it lasts a bit longer, and I use this stuff here. In-ground timber protection. Now I might, looking at this is leftovers from when I was doing my fencing, and I might have to buy some more by the look of this. There's not that much left. We've now painted most of the poles. They're just about ready to go in the ground. I'll finish painting them once they've been planted. Here's our digger for the poles, and I've dug this out a bit as you saw earlier. And the other post is going over there where the tap and garden hose will be going. So let's get going. Now here's the end of day one. We have painted some of these. They've already been rained on because it's been raining, and of course it rains when you're trying to do these jobs. The uprights have been put into position, concreted into place, and I'm just waiting for them to dry now so I don't end up covered in black tar. And this will be the first stage of the retaining wall. For those people interested, these poles are about 900 high and they go down to the ground about the same distance. Whenever you're building a retaining wall, as a rough guide, when building a retaining wall, you should have as much down into the ground as what you've got sticking up. So if you've got 900 sticking up, you should have 900 going down into the ground. Obviously, depending on what you are retaining, The dirt here pretty much stays where it is anyway. It's been like this for 12 months and it hasn't really gone anywhere. This is just to tidy things up, but I like to do things properly, and I don't really want this wall to fall down. And there's our post that we'll be using to mount our tap, and maybe a water gauge, weather station, and a garden hose reel to service our vegetable garden here. We've also got more garden beds coming up to install. These guys never seem to go far, do they? Very loyal dogs. Just getting every last scrap of dinner out of this container.